How to log in MetaTrader 5 account. To sign in or log into your MetaTrader 5 account, it's very easy and quick. Just stay with me till the end of the video. Launch MetaTrader 5 app on your device. Make sure you already have created your account. If not, you can tap on the plus button or icon at top right corner of the screen if you haven't added any trade account yet. Now, after that, you can easily find the broker with the help of the Find Broker icon at the top of the screen. Or else, if you wish to log into your demo account, tap on MetaCodes Ltd. And after that, you will get access to this new interface where you can open a demo account to learn trading and to test your strategies, or you can also log into your existing account. So if you already have got any existing account, you can enter all the credentials, that is your login info, password, server, and the saved password. And after that, you can tap login button to easily log into MetaTrader 5 account. Or else, if you forget password, you can tap on the link given below and then easily recover from there and add here. After that, you will successfully use MetaTrader 5 account. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then to like, share, comment on this video. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.